Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm playing Racemasters again. Wait. There we go. So here we go. And I don't want that special offer, that DeLorean, even though it's cool looking. I do not want it. Just gonna bash into that guy. He flew out the map. Okay. Bash into that. And here we go. Here we go. So, here we go. And we're about to pass. Oh, I hit that guy. Oh, he's on top of me. The guy was just on top of me. I was insane. And I crashed. That's great. Totally great. Oh my god. No. I never got first place in so long. Oh my god. Rainbow paint. I gotta watch these ads. Yes, rainbow paint. I'll cut it out the video for you guys. It's called oil paint, not rainbow paint. Huh? I watch that for money, guys. So, see you next out of this ad. And we're back. So, we're not gonna buy that and that. The only thing we're gonna buy, and we're gonna make our car rainbow. Beautiful, right? And let's do the most rainbowest car. This car is so rainbowy. But there's F1 right there too. Hello. Hello, friendy. Hello. Yellow, 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 yellow. Oh, oh.
Right, I think I'm gonna do like.
Hey guys, we're back. So I'm just watching. Oh wait, oopsies, I'm watching an ad, and it's over. So let's do this. We can just demolish these noobs. Demolish those noobs. Okay, guys. Here we go. What are we gonna get? $100. Oh my god. Oh, guys, look. Oh my god. Yeah? And I'm back. Kidding me, 5%? It was just 15% like 5 minutes ago. What is that? And here we go. Oh my god, my car is so rainbowy. Oh my god. I'm just gonna make a fire car. What is good for a fire car? I'm gonna say these ones. Paint, fire. Okay, let's try to make a water car. A water car, water. Paint, water. I don't know what I'm doing. So make an acid car, Oh, perfect. Acid rims. Those are more like military rims. So what's more acid? It's kind of more acid looking, so I'm gonna go like that. I'm gonna go with this. Oh yes, this fading color is good. I'm gonna do fire though. Oh, these rims are the same. You know, I'm gonna go random. I'm gonna go coolest. Oh wait, this is my best one paint. My best paint. Yeah, I'm gonna go neons. Rainbow neon. Let's do this here now. Now let's do this, and we're not gonna waste my NOS. Okay. Like my last video, I wasted my NOS because I was first place, and I didn't know that. So we're gonna try not to wait, and everyone's basically dying. So here we go. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No! Okay. Okay. Boom! Beat that F1. I'm gonna hit him, and then there he goes off the jump. Then there we go. We hit him. Oh, flinged him off. I flinged him off. I flinged him off. And what in the world was that car? How did I go so high when I was like only going like when I was only going 2 miles per hour? What the heck? Glitch. Game glitch. I just yeeted that guy. What? What? How? Wow. That is just wow. I'm gonna watch some ads. Gotta cut out the video. And we're back. So here we go. Speed only maxed almost. Okay, I'm not gonna waste my NOS like I did last time. So I'm gonna go like this. Cause it's got the same oil paint. I thought it was called like rainbow paint. I don't know. Maybe it was called oil paint. No, no. Okay, here we go. This guy's oil paint. Oh no. Oh no. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. No, why did you do that? Why in the world did you do that? Why did you do that? I'm just asking why. I need a reason. Oh, and let me guys, that's a part of the video. And here we go, we're back. So, boom. We can only buy one thing at a time. This is so long. Taking forever. Is it a Lamborghini Huracan? So not. Boom. Plain old orange.